Today is Tuesday, 17th of September, and we're fishing Shoreham Beach. Okay guys, just down West Worthing. Literally only got 10-15 minutes for tides in, so I won't be able to dig any worms. So I'm going to have to do a quick power dig, get some lugworm, and then the plan is to quickly head over to Worthing Pier there and try and catch some smelt to use for live bait. Plenty of casts around here, so hopefully it shouldn't be too hard to get some lugworm. This is the easiest way I find to dig lugworms. I do one either side, a bit hard to film. One hand, one that side, and one this side. And then you just chuck it all up to either side. Oh. That's a winner. Bit hard to do one-handed, but you get the idea. Something I like to do is chuck out any breaking worms I get, just seagulls. Just feel like I'm giving something back there and not going to waste. Got 3 mil from there. Worm wise, literally 5 minutes. Plenty of worms there for me. So that'll do me. Just going to head over to the pier now. Okay, just walking to the pier now. Just parked in an hour slot. Got my LRF rod, bucket, and literally it's going to take me longer to walk to the pier than it is going to for me to catch the bait. They're so easy to catch if you've got smelt feathers. Yeah, just going to get some water when I get by the pier, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Just come down by the pier to get some water. It's lovely and clear today, nice and flat. That's why I wanted to try some live baiting. Currently doing some work on the pier here. On the east side, you can't really fish off the side at the moment, it's all scaffolding along the whole side. But I'm going to head right down there to the jetty and get some smelt. Okay guys, on the pier now. Really clear. Still about 3 hours to high tide. The smelt are there, but not in numbers yet. These are the feathers I'm using. Tiny little things, you can actually catch them without the actual feather. They go for the actual gold hooks themselves. Had a few already. Get another, I don't know, 4 or 5. And I'll stick on a bubbler and I'll take them back for live bait. Here's a little close up of what they look like. It's probably about 4 inches long. Tiny little mouse. I'm hooking, I'll chuck in the bucket. Okay guys, that's the bait sorted. Now it's time to get back to the car. We'll be back in the car in under half an hour. Okay, just walking back to the car now. Fish seem to be doing fine. All alive still. Not too sure where to fish. Might go to Shoreham. I might do the nursery school run for 1 o'clock. So I could drop my daughter off and head straight out again. And she doesn't need picking up till about 5 o'clock. So I've got a good few hours there just to fish. High tide's about 2 o'clock. So yeah, that's why I decided to get some live bait today. Just try catch a bass or even the garfish, and the mackerel still like them. So that's the plan anyway. So I probably had to Shoreham probably. A bit deeper water, water's nice and clear. So hopefully find something. I'll see you in a couple of hours. Right guys, at Shoreham Beach now. Nice and flat. It's coming up to high tides, so I'll be fishing it down. got a couple of rods, got my spinning rod with me as well, so I might stick on a live bait on that one, just free float it out, and then maybe try for some place on a one up one down rig. Maybe just stick out a live bait on the other rod. But still need to decide really what I'm going to do, but I'll let you know once I've set up. Lovely day. Okay, just going to chuck out my first rod. Just using a one up one down rig, size 4 hooks, just a single lug worm in each one. Hopefully this one will find some place or some bream. Okay, second rod there with the orange tip. Just using a pulley. One of the smelts have died, so I'm sticking that one on first. Just go work it out. I've noticed a few garfish jumping around already, so when I sell my lure rods, I stick on a live one. But yeah, I'm just going to whack this one out and hopefully we'll find a bass or something. Okay, this is my lure rod, and because I'm lazy, I'm literally just sticking a swivel onto my lure snap swivel there. Got some 15 pound fluorocarbon and a 3A Aberdeen hook there. And I'm just going to hook the smelt through the nose. Just chuck it out probably, I don't know, 10 metres. That's where I've seen some garfish jumping anyway, just where those sort of bubbly bits there, you can see it on camera. But yeah, that's the plan. Just relining this smelt out. Did just see another garfish just to my left about 30 seconds ago. Just trying to get it out. No bites from other rods yet. But hopefully it won't be long till we find a fish. Just going very slow, guys. Haven't seen any garfish or anything. No bites from other rods. I just can't believe how warm it is. Got to be low 20s. Considering it's getting towards the end of September, it's all good. Might rebait the orange rod there, put on a new smelt. Might stick on another dead one I've got. Might chop it up a bit, get some juices coming out of it and give it another cast out. Okay, I was stripped off last time, but I've stuck on another one. I'll chop the head off, chop the toe off to get loads of blood flowing through it. Just gotta work it out as far as I can. Guys, you look in front of me, something's breaking the water. Something's making these little white bait jump in the water. Need to get my bait in here quick. If you guys can spot what these are, let me know. I think they're scaly bass. It's so quick. I can see my bait. They're tiny little things. There must be something making them jump out there. Just moved my gear all in close. All those little splashes have gone. Very quiet on the fishing front. It might be a bit more lively today, in the clear water and all the white bait about, but doesn't appear to be. Just keeping an eye on these gulls here. Seems to be a lot of them all dying down in the water. So that means there's a shoal coming along this way maybe. Keep an eye on it. Hopefully there'll be some fish. I'll just show you the temperature there. 21.5 degrees. And just check up on the whole sprats there. Couple goners, but the rest is still alive. I'll stick another live one out in a minute. Really slow today. Hasn't really gone to plan. The bait side went well this morning, but not the fishing side. think I'll stick another live one out. Tide's really starting to drop away now. Hour and a half past high tide. Still really dead. Got about 45 minutes till I have to leave anyway, so I'll hold out for a while longer. I was thinking, as whiting season's coming up, has anyone ever tried float fishing for them? Because I know they sort of become a pest. I was just wondering if you were to use a light rod, float fish for them, do they scrap any better? Has anyone tried it before? Might give that a go in a couple of weeks when they start picking up in numbers. I'll go back to work in a week and a half, week Monday, so yeah, it's all fun. So it's been nice to have the summer off. Just hoping I could get some more fishing in really. But hey, that's what happens when you have kids, and that's the whole reason I was off at the end of the day, just to be with the kids more. But hopefully we can find some fish before I go home today. Just had the slightest of knocks on my right hand rod there with the white tip. Might have been a crab. Every now and again just see a tiny little pull down when it stops. I gotta take it in and have a quick look. We got a fish, guys. It's on my lugworm. Guess what it is? Nice little place. Let's get it unhooked and we'll chuck it back. I can't tell you how many times I've got a place for my last cast sort of thing. When I'm going to blank, I always seem to catch a place for my last cast. So to me it indicates that the place on the feed just as the tide's dropping away around here. Because normally I fish 2 hours before high tide, now down. It always seems to be last sort of cast, so I always tend to have a place. Go carry on fishing for another 15-20 minutes, so we can find any more. Been having this helicopter hover around for the last 10 minutes or so. Had another bite earlier, took it in, nothing there, similar bite to the last one. But got another 5 minutes or so, then I'm going to pack up. Right guys, it's now time to take everything in. I'm going to start with the left hand rod there, the orange tip. I think that's got a whole smelt on it, so let's have a check. Well, that's been well and truly munched up. Looks like crabs to me. Only a bit of a V sort of bite mark there. It's just been pulled through the hook. Let's check the other rods. Got another fish, guys. Another little place, a bit smaller this time. Let's get it unhooked and we'll chuck it back. Okay, let's give this place a little release. Should just swim straight off, hopefully. Just the camouflage there. Hey guys. But you see what I mean? Seems like the place seemed to be on the dropping tide here. Just taking the live bait and check that one. Oh, live bait's still there. Nothing's touched that. So yeah, that's me done today. Shame there's no fish on the live bait, but I thought I'd try something a bit different today. Those places have really saved the blank. But it's interesting how they are coming on the dropping tide, so it's worth targeting when if you can get down there. I think. Imagine there'll be a few bigger ones, especially this time of year after they've been fattening up all year. But yeah, do you like this video? Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Be free, my little live bait friends. Be free.